fender eliminator came off.
What?
Your license plate and fender eliminator came off.
My license plate might be.
Yeah, it's back there.
Yeah,
Yeah. How far back?
It's not too far.
but it went across the road.
Yeah, it went and bounced. I know where it went. You can go back and look for it.
Good thing I brought a bag.
It's somewhere where the barrier was.
It was that further down.